Pirate. How are you, my boy? How are you? My big boy. Yes. He started to meow. He didn't meow like past 2 years. I know him for 2 years now. He wasn't meowing at all. He started to greet me with long meows. Very loud. Pirate. How are you, my boy? Oh, feeling itchy? Okay. Okay. Oh, big boy. Yes. My friendly boy. He's such a gentleman, you know? He's so gentle. Not just with me, with other cats too. Yes. He's the whole package. Handsome, talkative, smart. Yes, gentle. My boy. Malapit talaga. Malapit, my big boy. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can do that via Buy Me a Coffee. Link in the description. Thank you in advance and take care.